Here at JustDo, we're excited to show you our powerful integrated search tool. With the search tool, you can find any task quickly and efficiently. Simply type the complete or part of a task name in the search box. The search box will then display how many instances the phrase appears within the project. And by simply moving the cursor keys up or down, you can highlight and move to the next occurrence. Remember, if you filtered a task, it will not show. For example, if you want to look for a previous task that is now marked as done, it will not show until you select Done Tasks within the Filter checkbox. One neat trick is that if you know the task number, you can simply type in ID: followed by the task number, press Enter, and JustDo will highlight the exact task.